To disable the time clock on the EnviroMAX 1500 pump, first make sure that the pump is powered but stopped. If it is running, just push the stop button to stop it. Then hold down the display key for 5 seconds and you'll see clock on. Just use the down button to change it to clock off and then hit the display button again. The time clock is now disabled. If you want to enable the time clock again, just hold down the display button and you've got clock off. Just push the up button to change it to clock on. Push the display button, you can then set the time. Push the display button again and the clock is now active and set.